On free field of tabs, right mouse button, move cursor, and left mouse button activate the Visualize tab. In Visualize tab, from the panel Camera, activate the command Create Camera. Left mouse button activates the command. Next step, on the drawing field, specify camera location. Left mouse button click and move the cursor, specify target location. Left mouse button click 2. Next step, click enter on the keyboard or activate the option Excite. I say Excite. Oh, okay. Next step, we have camera, move the cursor and left mouse button select. And we have window, realistic, visual style, select visual style realistic, and on the drawing field, move the cursor, click on that target location, move the cursor, and we have changed the view from camera.